Have you observed this? When you open YouTube and your friend also does so, your friend will be getting different videos and you will be getting different videos. Isn't it strange? Same app, same time, different types of videos. YouTube is making decisions on behalf of you. Isn't it crazy? Like for suppose, if you like coding, you get coding videos. If you don't like coding, you'll get something else. This is called decision making. Today, I will show in Python how decision can be taken with the help of if-else statements. Don't worry, it is very simple. Let us take a simple real-time example. Like for example, if marks are more than 40, then you have to display it as pass, else fail. We as a human beings can understand this logic very easily. But how do Python understand this? It means something is true, do this, else do something else. Let us take marks equals to 75. If marks are greater than 40, print pass. So, like Python understands this way. Marks are 75. Is 75 greater than 40 or not? If correct, then this person is pass. So it prints pass. Now think carefully. If marks are 30, will the Python prints pass or fail? It will not print anything because I have displayed the code here. I have just displayed if marks are greater than 40, print pass. I haven't displayed anything. So nothing will be printed. So what to do if you want to display as fail? Very simple. We just need to add your else statement. If marks are greater than 40, print as pass, else print as fail. Okay, now Python will be understanding this way. If marks equals to 30, let's imagine marks equals to 30. Now it will check. If marks is greater than 40, we have to print as pass. Else, according to the code which I am displaying here, we have to print it as, yes, we have to print it as fail. Let's connect this to real life again. Let us check the temperature outside. Let us check the weather outside. Isn't it rainy, sunny? If it is rainy, print in quotations, carry umbrella. Else, no need to carry umbrella. Simple, right? This is exactly how your apps like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and your phone lock even works. This is where most students will be doing mistakes, or most beginners will be doing mistake. If marks double is equals to, single equals to 40, then what happens? You get a display message as an error. Reason, single equals to is an assignment operator, whereas double equals to is an comparison operator. Now what you have to write in the condition? If marks double equals to 40, then you have to display it as pass. So please don't do this mistake when you are using equals to symbol. In Python, single equals to is an assignment operator which assigns a value to a variable, whereas double equals to is a comparison operator which compares what is there in X or what is there in marks is greater than, less than, or equals to the displayed mark. Okay, so don't repeat this. So sometimes we might be using if marks is greater than or equals to 40, then print pass, else print fail. it's your turn, guys. Write a program. If age is greater than or equals to 18, you are eligible to vote. Else you are not eligible to vote. Pause the video and try it for yourself. Slightly excited, right? Today you learned how Python is making decisions using if-else statements. Tomorrow we will be moving one step ahead. We will be learning about if, elif, else. This is where coding becomes powerful. Don't miss it. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.